Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another video. So today in this video I'm going to show you the review of the latest ROM from the Pixel Plus UI. As you can see here, its version is 3.1 official for our Redmi Note 8, and this is the Platinum version. Its Android version is latest, which is the Android 11. Security patch is also all the way latest, 5 February 2021. So I really felt in love with this ROM. So in this video we will discuss about its performance, about its stability and all other things. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the ROM is pretty much stable. There is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Everything is just working smoothly and beautiful. Look at the this clock in the quick settings. It looks pretty much beautiful, and it really makes a cool look of the phone, as you can see here. And now you can handle everything with one hand, even if you are in the settings. As you can see here, you can handle everything with one hand. And the app opening speed and overall performance of this ROM is also pretty much good. As you can see here, it is opening the applications quickly. And in the camera we get the MIUI camera pre-installed, but you can also install any Gcam mode or any custom camera by watching my previous videos from the description. And the gaming performance is also pretty much good. Now let's dig into the settings, and we have the GApps pre-included in this ROM, so we get the important and necessary Google applications pre-installed. And in the settings, first of all we have the setting, search, a user icon, then we have internet and network, connected devices, apps and notifications, battery. The battery performance of this ROM is just amazing. Here we have the battery saver, adaptive battery, turn on the light when charging, and you can also enable the enable or disable the battery percentage for the status bar. Then we have the display. In the display we have brightness level, dark theme, night light, which is working fine. Then we have the adaptive brightness, and you can also change the styles and wallpapers. In the styles we have 5 styles pre-installed, and in the wallpapers we only have this wallpaper. And then you can change the grid for your launcher, and after it we have screen timeout, auto rotation, colors. You can change the color theme right from here. Then we have font size option, display size, and lock screen settings and double tap to wake, which is working fine. After it we have the sound. The sound quality of this ROM is also pretty much good, because we have the Mi sound enhancer in the Xiaomi parts, which really helps to enhance the sounding quality. And in the security we have all the security options, like the fingerprint is just working pretty much fine. The on-screen locks are also working fine, and we also have the face unlock right over here. Let me test it out. Let's add my face, and it has been added. Let's test it out, and as you can see here, it is just unlocking the device quickly. Okay, after it we have the accounts, accessibility, digital well-being, Google, Xiaomi Part, system. In the system we have languages and input, gesture. In the gesture we have quickly open camera, system navigation, prevent ringing, swipe 3 finger to screenshot, power menu, adaptive playback, quick torch, and playback control. We don't have a lot of customizations in this ROM, that's why I really love it. After it we have date and time, backup, rules, reset option, multiple users. Then we have about phone section. From here you can check the Android version, which is the 11, Pixel UI version 3.1, and you can also check the name of maintainer. So the ROM is pretty stable, there is no any single bug or issue, and recommended for daily usage. So if you want to install this ROM on Redmi Note 8 and Note 8T, just download the ROM from the link in the description and reboot your device into an installed custom recovery. Right now I am using the Pitch Black recovery latest version, but this one is the unofficial. So first of all we need to remove the old ROM. To do that, just go to wipe, advanced wipe, and from here wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Do not select internal storage and SD card. Wipe right from here. After wiping, go back to home, click on install. Now locate your downloaded Pixel plus UI ROM, mine is here. Click on it and flash it right from here. So the GFs are pre-included in this ROM, so no need to install the GFs manually. And you can flash the disable DM variety, and you can also flash the magic zip file if you want to root your ROM. So after flashing these files, just click on reboot and click on reboot system, and the ROM will be installed in a few minutes. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching, and look at its beautiful boot animations. Peace.